Hey, Trek2409 here. About 20 minutes after making part 3 of the Battlestar Galactica build. The kits from Federation Models came. Taking them out the big shipping box, and here they are. I'll review the Cylon Basestar and just quickly show you what I all got. Got a, I believe it's a, can't remember what you call it, cup warmer thing, and a clippy thing, and the decals I ordered. A creation full Battlestar Galactica set. Are in an envelope, which is nice actually that they put them in an envelope even in the box, and Gem Dark Cruiser. But yeah, this video I shall be reviewing, well, unboxing the Basestar. Yeah, quick look at this first actually. Okay, see if I can get it open with one hand. I like that they have the box the shape it is. I didn't expect that. Cool, one long box. Shows them not wasting any cardboard and that as well. I absolutely hate packing peanuts or whatever you call these though. Hate them. They're so annoying. Fall out all over the place, and then you take some out and you can't get it back in because the packing peanuts are in the way. Hate them. Seems good. Some probably just little flakes from the stupid packing peanuts, but bigger one there, I think it is just from the packing peanuts. Resin needs washed though anyway, so stand here. Oh, that'll definitely need painted and stuff. Get off me, you stupid packing peanut! Ugh. Oh. The stand's not in great quality, but it doesn't really matter, it's just a stand. It's just nice that they give you a stand really, and oh, perfect. It's even got a hole in it for wires. That's nice, I love that. Yet another heady thing. That's not head, I don't know why I'm calling it head. And this will be all the rest of the parts. Goodness knows what's what. I'll be building this very soon because, well, I mean it's a Cylon Basestar. How could I not build it very soon? Get off, you stupid fucking peanuts. For frack's sake. They're just evil. Stop this madness now. This'll be the middle bit, I imagine. Yep. Good detail on it. Especially for 1/4105th scale. And could it not be that just 1/4000th scale, or even 1/4100th scale? Just why have the 5? Why did Moebius have to have the 5? Does it really make much difference? Except making it longer and harder and more annoying to say. Also with the blinking packing peanuts, you gotta see what's there. If you've missed anything or what. Hate them. Evil. Here's the instructions. Try and get them unfolded. Come on. There we go. Just information about what you should do with resin kits. and then of course instructions. Interesting. I believe, yeah. Well, I'm not sure if it's just you have the option of gluing it in differently, or if you can turn it. But there is the two ways round. If you have to glue it, if you absolutely have to glue it, and I can't do anything about that, I'll do it in that definitely, because I don't really remember ever seeing it in that. So. Yep. Let's see if there's anything else. Another join the army bit. Again, extremely detailed, although miscoloured. That's okay, that's a good thing about resin kits, really. Well, for the makers at least, they have a lot of leeway and forgiveness from their buyers for little mistakes. That's because we know they're just wee companies bringing us the stuff we want that the big companies won't. I think that's everything. So, two main arms, the joiners, and then I suppose they'll make up the other arms and the inside, the bottoms of it. That's handy actually. I'm so glad. I was wondering if it'd be like that. It'll make painting it so much easier. I'll be able to paint it probably exactly how I want it now then. I need to get a lot more reference pictures, like I hardly have any, but I'll probably do it the same chrome as the radar on top and the silver that's on the Galactica, the darker parts of it, on the bottom, and it will need light blocked too because I'll be lighting it. If they give you the option to light it, I have to light it. Them's the rules. There doesn't seem to be any decals, but I can't tell for these fracking packing peanuts. No, there's none. But I'll probably check again in a while and there'll be some. Because peanuts are evil. That's right, they're just packing peanuts. Peanuts too. Kinda are actually. Those people are allergic to them and don't even taste very good. So, that's the Cylon Basestar. I look forward to building it. Shouldn't really take me much longer than the radar, because although I'm lighting it, I think it's just, like I said, I need more reference pictures, but I think it's just a few whites, and that's that. So yeah, I look forward to doing it, definitely. I might get it and Pegasus all painted at the same time, because the good thing about the way it is I should be able to fit it in my painting box. I use a paint in a cardboard box out in the back garden with it being spray paint. But it's too wee, I need to upgrade to a bigger one. But yeah, it should all fit in with the Pegasus, or most of the Pegasus. And I can get it light blocked all at once at least. And yeah, depending on the colour, probably not, because I don't want them being the same colour. But I got silver Tamiya spray paint when I was at Scoony Hobby's my nearest hobby shop. For the Pegasus, and depending on the colour I might use it for this, but I don't, like I said, I don't want them being the same colour and matching. But I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably just do it chrome. See you soon. I'll just be moving on and making the video with the Jem'Hadar cruiser. So, see you very soon. Bye. Even though I'm not really seeing you, but yeah. Bye.